Hello, good morning. Today my discussion topic is the learning cycle. In context of learning cycle, it's a process of steps that guides the both learning and instruction. Learning cycle guides both learning and instruction. Learning cycle enables the students to apply inquiry and discovery to the learning. Learning cycle enables the students to apply inquiry and discovery to their learning. The original learning cycle was based on Jean Piaget's idea that learning should be tied to cognitive development. This is the learning cycle, 5E cycle. First of all, engage, explore, then explain, elaborate, and at last, evaluate. First of all, you should engage the students about the topics. And to make the student explore the solution of the problems. And then you should get the students to explain about the problem of solution. And then you should elaborate of the solution. In class, we evaluate. This is the learning cycle. First of all, engagement. In the context of engagement, the teacher takes the center stage and the instructor poses, that is the teacher poses the question, asks the class beforehand, assists the student in forming connections and lets them know where they are going. First of all, in the engagement, teacher is the center stage. In the engagement, the teacher poses the question or problems and assists the student in forming connection and lets them where they are going. That is the engagement. The purpose of engagement is to draw the students' attention to the subject, to the topics, to the problems, and assess the prior knowledge of the students. Inform them what's the lesson's objectives, and also remind the students what they already know and how to apply it to the current topic, and present a problem for them to investigate the following learning cycle phase. Evaluation of engagement, pre-assessment, which determines evaluation engagement determines what the students already know about the subject at hand and plays key part in the evaluation of the involvement. The instructor or teacher may pose the queries and request written or spoken response for the students. Exploration. The action now revolved around the students as they gather the information to address the issue. Exploration revolved around the students. They gather information to address the issue or problems or topics. The students gather the information to solve the problem, to solve, uh, to address the topics, issue, queries. The instructor oversees the students' data collection and organization, so they can address the problem. The students must be involved in class. Students are supposed to gather information during investigation, so they may utilize it to address the given problem. Evaluation of exploration. Evaluation in this part of the learning cycle should be concentrated on the process, that is, on the data that the students collected rather the final result of their data collecting. The teacher should ask themselves the following kinds of questions. To what extent are the students gathering the information? To what extent the students gathering the information? Are they following the protocols correctly? Are the students following the protocols correctly in the collection of data? How are the data recorded? How are the students' data recorded? Is it haphazard or does it make sense? Is it haphazard? See, this question you should ask. In the evaluation of exploration. Explanation. During the explanation step of the process, students apply the information they have gathered to solve the problem, describe their findings, and attempts to solve the given challenge. In addition, the teacher presents new words, phrase, sentence to reinforce the concept the students have already mastered, already known. In explanation, during explanation steps, the students applied information that they have gathered to solve a problem by describing their findings and attempt to solve a given challenge. But in addition, the teacher should present new words, phrase, or sentence to reinforce the concept students have already known. Evaluation of explanation. The evaluation of primary concentrates on the methods the students are employing, especially how successfully can the students apply the knowledge they have already acquired and the material they have gathered to generate new ideas. The teacher can assess the students' understanding of the new language and concept by using the question. Elaboration, the instructor imparts the fresh knowledge that builds on the what the students are already learned in the preceding stage of the learning cycle. The instructor imparts fresh knowledge that builds on the what the student have already learned in the preceding stage of the learning cycle. That is engagement, exploration, explanation. By using what they have learned, the students are now solving difficulties that the teacher has as well. Both examples and the non-examples are the part of the issue. Evaluation of elaboration. The teacher typically consider the evaluation that takes place during the elaboration to be evaluation. Instructor occasionally confuse the assessment with the chapter ending test. When the teacher provides application problems to the completed as part of the elaboration lessons, these assignments are solved as the test. Evaluation of elaboration. The teacher typically consider the evaluation that takes place during the elaboration The evaluation instructor occasionally confuse assessment of a chapter ending test. When the teachers provide application problems to the completed as part of the elaboration lesson, these assignments serve as the test. Thanks for watching.